This is Kia Buckets with another unboxing video from markerbids.com. Anyhow, pretty sure this is a box of Evo, or paintballs. I think it's Evo. Nicely packaged, so none of them should be broken. Tech BB sticker. A Tech BB sticker. This one. Maybe? Nope, a couple more. Mike was being chinky with them. Anyhow. It's a yellow, neon yellow fill, professional grade paintballs. Anyhow, can't wait to try these out. Anyhow, I won this on December the 21st, and it shipped out on December the 22nd for a final bid price of 14 cents. Now, you can't beat that. Anyhow, this is Kia Buckets signing out.